Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by National Insurance Company Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, National Insurance Company Limited is a government of India undertaking. They have released the notification for 274 administrative officers post for journalist as well as specialist cadre. Here the online application will start from 2nd January. Last date of online application is 22nd January and the exam date and all other details will be notified by them in the later date. Now let's talk about the vacancies. So for the specialist, here they are asked for finance. There are total 30 vacancies. They have not given the individual bifurcation. So here 57 posts are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate out of all these total posts. And for journalist discipline, there are 130 posts out of which 68 posts are for unreserved category candidate. These are separate from the finance post. Your probation will be of a period of 1 year, which can be further extended twice for 6 months. Guarantee bond, you need to give a bond to the company to serve the company for 4 years including probation period, and in case you resign, then you pay a damage equivalent to 1 year's gross salary, which will be proportionally reduced depending upon the length of your service. So if you resign after 3 years, then proportionately your 1 year gross salary you have to pay. Here the benefits mentioned that your basic pay will start at 50,000 in the pay scale of 50,925 to 96,765, and apart from that you will be pay all other allowances and packages of the company. Here your monthly total gross pay will be 85,000. Now let's talk about the qualification asked for different posts. So friend, for education, qualification should be as on 1st December 2023. That is, candidate should possess certificate as on 1st December. So for finance vacancy, qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or a BCom or MCom from a recognized university with at least 60% marks in either of the degree examination and 55% for SC/ST category candidate. Here 60% marks requirement is for BCom or MCom, not for CA or CMA. And for journalist officer, you should be a graduate or postgraduate in any stream from recognized university with at least 60% marks in either of the degree examination. Age limit as on 1st December, minimum age should be 21 years, maximum should be 30 years as on 1st December. That is, candidate born not earlier than 2nd December 1993 and not later than 1st December 2002. So you should be born between these two dates. Then there are certain age relaxations for reserve category. You can check them in detail. Now very important selection procedure. So friends, your selection will be in two parts or two phases. First phase will be of a preliminary examination online mode, and second will be main examination, that also in online mode. And the pattern of examination is also mentioned that your phase 1 examination will have 100 MCQ questions and you will be provided 60 minutes, and it will be in 3 different sections, which is English, reasoning and quantitative aptitude. Here the maximum marks is 30 for English and 35 for reasoning and quantitative aptitude. 20 minutes each is given to all 3 sections, and like this total 100 questions will be asked, and candidate have to qualify test in each section by securing passing marks as decided by the company. So you need to pass in each different section, that is in English, reasoning and quant separately, to make it into the shortlist for the mains examination. Now phase 2 will have main examination. Those candidates who clear the phase 1 will be called for phase 2. Here the total MCQ questions will be of 250 marks and descriptive test of 30 marks will be there. So it is both objective as well as descriptive, that to be in online mode only, and you have to type in the computer. So your objective test, it will be of a 3 hours duration, consists of 5 and 6 section for journalist and specialist respectively for 250 marks. So here again you have to be tested in reasoning, English, general awareness, computer knowledge and quantitative aptitude. All are of 50 marks each, and medium of examination will be English as well as Hindi, and duration will be 40 minutes each for reasoning, English and quantitative aptitude, and 30 minutes for general awareness and computer knowledge. And for specialist cadre, apart from those 5 topics, there will be another section that is related to your technical syllabus. Here 50 questions will be asked and the maximum marks will be 50. So like this, your 250 questions will be asked, and apart from that there will be descriptive test. Here 30 minutes will be provided to you with 30 marks and will be test of English language. In that there will be essay of 10 marks, precise writing of 10 marks, comprehension of 10 marks. So you have to answer 3 questions in 30 minutes by typing in the computer. So your descriptive test is qualifying in nature, and marks scored in the descriptive will not be counted towards shortlisting for interview or final selection. So they are just checking whether you are well versed with the English language or not through this essay, precise and comprehension questions. Based on your 6 topics of specialist, you will be tested and shortlisted for interview or final selection round. Then there is a penalty for wrong answer. 1/4 marks will be deducted as a penalty in case of an incorrect answer. Then part C will be interview. Shortlisted candidate will be called for interview based on your performance in phase 2 of the examination. And remember, phase 1 is just a qualifying nature. Marks of phase 1 will not be counted for your phase 2. Application fee. Friends, SC, ST, PWBD category candidate need to pay rupees 250 as application fee, and all other candidate, that is unreserved category candidate, required to pay rupees 1000 including GST as an application fee. Examination center exam will be conducted in almost all the major cities of the country. How to apply? You have to apply through online mode by visiting website of the company. All details are mentioned in the notification. You can check them in detail. I'll provide the notification link in the description also. That's all, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do fill up the application form. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you will get a good exposure. Online application will start from 2nd January and will go till 22nd January. So you will have 20 days to apply for this vacancy, and also share with your friends and family whom you think that this vacancy might be useful to them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.